Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I hope y'all are doing great today. Figured I'd show y'all around for this video today and try to give you an update and show you where I'm at on some stuff. I know it's a little different than normal, but you know, we're gonna walk through and the mess here and give you an update. I've been gone for what? 2 weeks here, a week there, and you know, a long weekend here and there, and things have piled up on me. I'm a little behind, a lot behind. So let's show you the mess, and maybe we'll sit down and talk about how everything's gonna go. We're gonna start up front here. This is a project. So Willis Jeep. Gonna use it as yard ornament, but I haven't gotten nowhere near what I need to do on it. So what I'm gonna do on this is, or what I need to do, is I need to kill the weeds. I've already sprayed them. We'll see how long it takes for them to die. I'd expected them to be brown by now, and I hope I don't have to go buy a different. There's my pea gravel. It's from another project. So I'll lay some stuff down, throw me some pea gravel around it. I want to put me some small bushes around it and everything, and put me a bed on it. Now this is a project that mainly I'm going to do it a little at a time, but you know, I want to get it right because this is in the front of my yard, or it's the side yard, but it's clearly viewed from the front. So you know, right now I'm just a bad neighbor. If you'll look, I got some issues here. We're cleaning up that pool, putting it up. There's my tractor tire. There's the lawnmower. That lawnmower is a 54 or 56 inch cut. I need to get it right. So my 42 inch cut, you know, takes a little longer. What is this? It's 54. So I want to get this one right. Main thing wrong with it, steering wheel broke off. But it's another project. Got to get all of that took care of somehow. So that one, as soon as my tractor's finished, it's a pile of dirt, and I'm gonna drag it down and level it all out. I was waiting till to get more because I wanted to build a lot of this up. And those are, well, I'm gonna try to get it, and may have to rent me a tractor and get it and spread it across my drive here in some places where it needs it. Let's see what else. There's an old gazebo on my trailer. I need to do something with it. I need to move my trailer, and I need to fix the tire. The valve stem popped off. Go figure. And into the shop. Boy, this is a mess, right? Haven't got any further on my ceiling. Let me get out of the... Haven't got any further on my ceiling. Need to get it done. There's my tractor wheel I'm repairing. I'm gonna try, that's actually the project for today. I'm gonna try to finish it. What else? My dad's toolbox. That's a project I wanna get done. Gotta get the tractor out of here. It's taking up room. Got the 347 sitting there on the engine stand. Got the gas tank for the fair lane sitting out there. I need to get it, clean it out. Of course, the whole shop needs to be straightened up and cleaned up, but it's a mess. What else? Here's the Mustang, of course, engine, finish, put in here, and build that. Finish all this out, and then build my mezzanine slash upstairs, whatever you want to call it. Let's go over here and talk a little bit. So, organization. I have habitually been unorganized. And I'm finding more and more as time goes along that it has impaired my ability to accomplish the things I need to accomplish. So the goal is to get organized. And that means making some goals to produce X amount of work in X amount of time, whatever that may be. But the main thing is I'm going to set it up in a way of this needs to be done, then this, then this, then this, and this. Maybe some other things worked in the middle. For instance, the YouTube channel. I've got to produce a video per day. Well, I don't have to, but the way it's running right now, I need a video a day. Now, maybe as time goes, maybe that won't be quite the issue. Maybe I'll be able to cut it back to every other day or what have you, according to how the channel does and amount of views and stuff like that. But the goal really is a video a day, and some of them are fairly simple. Some of the videos aren't quite as simple. I've talked to some people before, and well, a quick, tool review can be a simple video if it's just an introduction and a tool review. When you go and start comparing things, it takes a little more time, but that's still not too bad. I do have a video that I want to do comparing a lot of these little air compressors that I bought. It's going to be a little time consuming to do the video, shoot it, prepare it, and all that. So, but that's one thing that's got to be factored into everything, into every project. So I got to factor in producing X amount of videos per day, what have you, during Monday through Friday, and then use Saturday and Sunday as overflow if I need them. Second, I got these big projects. I got some significant projects. I've got this Mustang, which is a significant project. The goal on it was to be on the track earlier this year and, working on getting down into the sixes in the eighth of a mile. Well, that's not happening. I'm hoping to have it on the track before the end of the year, and I'm going to lay it out and try to figure out how to do that. But other stuff comes up, like the tractor. The wheel had issues with it, boom. I'm working on it. So the goal right now is to get the tractor fixed first. That tractor should be fixed hopefully today, unless I run into some issue. Hope I have it running today. I'm not trying to put a whole lot of effort into it. Effort's the wrong word. I'm not trying to restore my tractor. I'm trying to get it back to running order. And I'm going to do what I need to do that. It'll actually maybe be Saturday, because once I get this wheel welded up, and I'm going to put some stuff on it, and I'll have to let it cure. But anyway, then I've got stuff I have to do with the tractor. We won't talk about lawn stuff. And then I got to figure out what the most important project is after that to complete. I need to figure it out. At the same time, trying to make good content for y'all. And that's the goal, is to make good, relatable content for, the people who come in here and watch this. And whatever you want to be called, whether it be fans or subscribers or friends. Some of you are friends. A lot of you are friends. We have a live on Sunday night, 7:30 Eastern Time p.m. That a lot of us talk, and we meet once a week, and it's awesome. But anyway, so the goal is to provide good content for y'all to come watch. With that being said, I got to organize it properly and get it done. Got a lot of projects coming up. I pointed out a few. Like I said, you know, tractors got to get fixed. It's a vital tool to doing all kind of stuff around here. You'd be surprised. I got an acre and I've got just all kind of junk to do on this little acre. I think I've created 99.9% of that stuff to do. And I've got house stuff to do too, and I might give you a little bit of that. I've got a gazebo I'm going to be putting up. It's a better one than the one I pulled down. The one I pulled down was a thin steel aluminum deal, and the wind messed it up fairly quickly after we bought it, and it was a big waste of money, and I'm very frustrated with myself on it. I've got a better one. It's wooden. It's got tin roof. It's pretty nice, and I'm gonna put it up, and I'm probably gonna video it and talk a little bit about that. My living room needs a new floor and painted. I'll be talking about that. That's a project that's supposed to have been done a long time ago, and I got to figure out where we're gonna put it in there. So that week that I'm doing that, I might end up doing little short tool videos all week, and I'll figure out how to plan that out. But anyway, that's Jethro's Garage. That's what I do, okay? I do a lot of stuff for myself, and I learned to do a lot of stuff for myself because when I was younger, I couldn't afford to pay no one to do it. I had no choice. I had to figure it out, or it wouldn't get done, or we went without on something else. So that's the way it's been pretty much all of my life. Now I'm in a position now where I don't have to do that, but you know, I've accumulated a bunch of tools. You got to use them, right? Hey, more on that later. You know, I've got some stuff that's super priority, right? The real priorities are before it gets cold, I gotta redo the flue on my heater, okay? Before it gets cold, I gotta get that done. Before it gets cold, it would really be good if I got my insulation in upstairs, which means I had to finish that ceiling, but it kind of needs to, like right now would be a good time to be working on it because it's not super hot out. But, you know, there's some stuff that are up here on priority, and then there's other stuff that are down here on priority, like this engine. It is not killing me not having it done. It's just preventing me from having good, solid content to put out there. Have I bored you enough? Okie doke. Hey, it's just a quick update. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Everything y'all do for me, whether it be simply liking it, giving me comments and stuff. But if you don't mind, I need you to share. And if you don't already, I need you to go ahead and subscribe. And hey, if you ring that bell, if you hit that little bell button, it'll tell you when content's available. You know, I don't know if you want that or not. I mean, I do on some of the channels I watch, and others I don't. Thank y'all. Y'all take care of each other and have a blessed day.